Hi guys! Welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. For today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make my version of seafood fried rice. Guys, mahilig ba kayo sa talangkanin? Here in abroad kasi, medyo mahirap maghanap ng taba ng talangka. So, I'll be showing you an alternative na pwede nyong gamitin para makagawa kayo ng seafood fried rice. And this is a very quick but very delicious recipe. So, let's get started. So, for our seafood fried rice, the ingredients that we need are day-old rice, salt, seafood medley, and ito nga pala yung frozen kind na easily available sa inyong local supermarkets, oil, egg, garlic, onion, green onion, butter, fresh cilantro, and yung alternative na sinasabi ko sa inyo para sa ating taba ng talangka, gagamit tayo ng crab paste with soya oil. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, umpisahan na natin. Mainit na yung ating wok. Maglalagay tayo ng butter. We'll let it melt. And then, para hindi masunog yung butter natin, maglalagay tayo ng konting oil. Halo lang hanggang matunaw yung ating butter. And then, isusunod na natin yung ating onions. So, yan. Sweat na natin yung ating onions. So, at this point, pwede na nating i-add yung ating garlic. Halo lang natin hanggang mga 10 seconds. Until maamoy nyo na yung aroma ng ating garlic. So, ayan. Okay na siya. So, isusunod na natin yung ating seafood medley. Yung seafood medley nga pala natin, yung mga nandito is mussels, scallops, shrimp, octopus. So, yan. Mas madali itong mahanap and mas matipid siya. Pero kung gusto nyo namang gumamit ng fresh seafood, that's fine too. Even better. So, yan. Hintayin lang natin. So guys, okay na yung ating seafood. So maglalagay na tayo ng ating crab paste. Ayan. Para siyang bagoong itong crab paste. Yan. Bibigay siya ng masarap na flavor at color sa ating fried rice. And then, pwede na nating isama yung ating rice. So, maganda nga pala sa rice na gagamitin nyo is yung day old. Yun yung perfect para sa fried rice. So, ihalo nyo lang hanggang makot yung ating rice. So, yan guys. Well incorporated na yung ating rice sa ating seafood. So, maglalagay tayo ng konting salt. Okay guys. So, iuurong muna natin yung ating rice on the side. Maglalagay lang tayo ng konting space for our egg. Maglalagay ako ng konting oil.
What's that oil?
And then, let's put our egg.
Wow.
So, here's our egg. Yan. I-break lang natin siya on the side. Until parang half-cook na siya. Just like that. And then, ihalo na natin siya with our rice. Kung gusto nyong mas maraming egg, pwede kayong magdagdag ng more eggs. So, yan. Okay na. Maglalagay tayo ng konting green onion. Okay. Then, haluin lang ulit natin. Once nalagay na natin yung ating green onion, yan, maglalagay tayo ng konting cilantro. So, for garnishing lang talaga ang cilantro. Pero, dito kasi sa bahay, gusto namin yung maraming cilantro sa aming fried rice. Especially dito sa seafood fried rice. So, ayan. So, halo lang natin. And then, guys, we are ready to plate. Guys, ready na ang ating seafood fried rice. Ayan na siya. And tinap ko nga pala siya ng mango para ma-complement ang ating fried rice. So, tikman na natin. Ang bango, guys. Ito na. Ang sarap! Sana man try nyo din ito at home very soon. And that's it for our video today, guys. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating seafood fried rice recipe. And as always, if you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking and baking videos. See you guys again! Bye!